Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a popping sound with your mouth. This will be an easy tutorial, but it'll also be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to make a popping sound like this, I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do it, okay? There are a few different variations of it. You can do something like this, or right? And I'm going to show you and tell you how to do both of those. Now, first and foremost, your lips are basically making the B sound. So if you can say B, you can probably make the popping sound. So just do this. Go B, 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 B. Now take away your vocal cords from saying that. So instead of going B, B, just go B, 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 B. And instead of, because we're not making the sound like B, right? We don't go B, but you want to do that B, but without the voice, right? So, and what we're doing is we're making the B sound. We're using our lips to sort of like pop them apart, okay? And we are pushing out any air in our mouth. We're not really breathing. We're not going, that's not how you do it. Whatever air is in your mouth, you're just sort of using your tongue to propel that air forward like this. But I'm not like I'm over exaggerating when I do this. Right? You're doing that, but you're not sending your tongue completely out of your mouth. It's going to look something like this. Watch my lips as I do this. So I'm doing the B sound, but I'm extending my lips open a little bit more aggressively and overly exaggerated than if I was to regularly speak with the B sound. And as you can see, I'm breathing in and going, but I'm holding that air in my mouth and just, I'm not really going, I'm not propelling the air with my lungs. I'm propelling the air with the muscles in my throat and my tongue muscle. That's what I'm using to send the air out like this. Just like that, okay? And that's how you make the sound, okay? Now, if you wanted to do, you can change the tone, right? Right? And all I'm doing is changing the opening of my mouth, as you can tell. Right? The wider that I make my lips, the thinner that the opening becomes, and that brings a higher pitch. The closer that I bring the sides of my lips into the middle, the wider that the opening becomes, and it makes a lower sound. And you can just continue to do that over and over again, and it sounds like a popping sound. If you can imagine a bubble is going, right? Just like that. So it's a popping sound. Just like that. And that's essentially it for the most part. If you want to make the popping sound, all that you need to know how to do is make a B sound. And if you can make a B sound, you can make a popping sound with your mouth. You just have to practice it over and over again, and you can make the sound or change the tone of it, change the pitch of it. It's up to you. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.